Manila Bay will no longer have white sand from the province of Cebu. Cebu Governor Gwen Garcia has issued this order stopping the extraction and transport of dolomite from the town of Alcoy for the Manila Bay Rehabilitation Project. Garcia said neither the provincial government nor the Alcoy town were informed of the Manila Bay project. There was also no public consultation. The Lady Governor's order also cited the lack of environmental impact study.
Thank you for watching Politiko TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.